This is the equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle construction, which is almost exactly like the hexagon inscribed in a circle construction. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend that you stop this one, watch the hexagon video first, and then come back to equilateral triangle. I'm going to start by constructing a circle. And marking the center of my circle. Okay. Same as with the hexagon video, I'm going to construct a diameter. I'm going to mark the endpoints of my diameter. And I'm going to measure the length of the radius. And again, if you haven't moved your compass, it should already be set. So just like with the hexagon, I'm going to draw an arc through my circle. I'm going to move my compass point to where that arc intersects the circle. I'm going to draw another one. And I'm going to keep going all the way around until I get back to where I started. Okay. So this is what we have so far. Again, so far this is identical to the hexagon video. What's different is that instead of connecting every intersection point, I'm going to only connect every other intersection point. So instead of drawing a segment from here to here, I'm going to skip this one, and I'm going to draw a segment from here to here. And then where I left off, I am again going to skip the next intersection and go to this one. Draw my segment. And then where I left off, I'm going to skip this intersection and go back to where I started. And so here's my equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. Again, I can name this triangle if I like. I have triangle ABC inscribed in circle E.